Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all liked and disliked videos on YouTube on iPhone iOS 18 all at once. For example, if you have many numbers of likes and disliked videos and you want to delete all of them all at once, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, you have to search for YouTube and you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after checking for the version, you have simply open the YouTube app. And here you can simply see the liked videos. But if you click on three dots here, then there is no option available that you can simply delete all of your videos, liked and disliked videos. So you have to simply click on settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on manage all history. And after clicking on manage all history, you have to simply wait for some time so that your account will load. So here you have to simply click on interaction, and here you can simply find the video likes and dislikes. So if you click on that, then there is option available. You can simply delete one by one. But if you want to delete all of them all at once, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of view other activity. You have to simply click on that. And here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of dislikes, likes and dislikes. So you have to simply look for that app. So here you have to scroll it down and you will find the option of YouTube likes and dislikes. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time. So here option available. So here you have to simply click on three dots here and you have to simply click on delete all, and all of your likes and dislike videos on YouTube will be deleted from here. So if you do not show that that happened, then you have to simply wait for some time, because if there are many number of videos, then it will take time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.